Hey guys, it's your favorite reliability and test guy here with another awesome video. In this video, we're going to be covering the RushTech Classical Shock Pulse Generator. This is a handy little tool for generating pulse shapes of different types of shock pulses, including half sine, sawtooth, haversine, and trapezoid. So how do you get this tool? Well, first of all, you need to go to the RushTech website at www.tomrush.com. So once you're on this page, you'll just go to Tools and Resources, and you'll land on this page that's pretty awesome. It has tools and resources, white papers, and so forth. My entire website has a lot of useful content, so definitely check it out. So under the Reliability and Test Calculators field here, you'll just go down until you find number 11 here, the Classical Mechanical Shock Pulse Generator. So you'll just go here, click it, download it, okay? And then once you've downloaded it, you just go open the tool. It's an Excel macro enabled page. You'll need to make sure you enable macros if that pops up. You'll just enter which pulse shape you want. You need to do it exactly how the text is shown here as the examples. You'll put in your peak acceleration. You'll enter your pulse width. And then you can determine the number of time steps, which will be how many points are plotted on your shock pulse shape. So once we hit generate shock pulse here, it pops up this shock pulse generated successfully menu here. So you just press OK, and you'll go down here to the tab for output. And there we have it. We have our trapezoidal shock pulse here at 10 Gs with the pulse width of 20 milliseconds. And we had determined a number of a DT value, or how many points we would plot, at 0.5 milliseconds. So as you can see here, we have all of our every 0.5 milliseconds we've plotted a point on this shock pulse. So there's also down here an instructions tab. So you'll want to click that, and this is the first thing you'll want to do. You want to go through here and read all of the instructions. It'll tell you what to do, what not to do, and some troubleshooting. If you run into any glitches or any issues, please let me know, and I'd really appreciate that so I can make sure this is 100%. Has worked pretty well under the test that I ran. Pretty simple tool. If you like this tool, and if you like the generator, and if it's useful for you, let me know, and don't forget to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to my channel. All right, thank you for watching.